So what is the difference between a CPA and a tax attorney? Well, CPAs typically provide tax advice and prepare tax forms and tax returns and potentially some bookkeeping. A tax attorney usually provides legal representation for a client. Now, with a tax attorney, there's an attorney-client privilege. So anything you say to your tax attorney is protected by the attorney-client privilege and cannot be summoned by IRS or subpoenaed before the grand jury. With the CPA, any information that you provide your CPA can be summoned and provided, and IRS will eventually get. So there are some significant protections that you have with an attorney. Now, typically, as a tax attorney, we work with CPAs on a lot of cases. The CPA might have an existing relationship with the client and the business, so we don't want to interfere with that. But we also, it'll be more efficient to have the CPA assist and provide different forms and understand exactly what's going on so we can provide the legal advice to resolve the issue. Other differences are that AICPA has recently come out and said that the Corporate Transparency Act, that the new forms that are coming out with that are really providing legal advice, and they took a hard stand on that. And what that requires with the Corporate Transparency Act is that the beneficial owner be provided, or that information be disclosed to IRS and FinCEN. So if you have a piece of real estate that's owned by an LLC, that's owned by another LLC, that's owned by an S-Corp, and that's owned by a trust, IRS eventually wants to find out who is the beneficial owner that's pulling the strings and has the control of the real estate through all these different entities. And again, AICPA has come out and said that that's really more providing legal advice, and they drew a hard line and said that's not something that CPAs, or that we will promote CPAs to do. I'm John Milikowski, founder of Milikowski Tax Law. I hope the information was valuable.